What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. We've got one story today, and it is about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. This phone should be out in August of 2019. That's only 4 more months from right now. And this report of rumors is coming straight from South Korea. It looks like there's going to end up being 4 different Galaxy Note 10 models. Now, previously, last week, we talked about 2 different models, a smaller version with a smaller screen, and then one with a bigger screen as well, and that would be the 2 models. In that story, I also mentioned what I thought would happen, and it looks like that's exactly what is going to happen, and that is 4 different models. So here we go. So there's going to be 2 models with 4G LTE and 2 models with 5G, and the big difference between them is screen size. So the screen size on the smaller version of the Galaxy Note 10 will be 6.28 inches, and on the back you're going to get 3 cameras. On the larger version of the Galaxy Note 10, it's going to be 6.75 inches and have 4 cameras on the back. Other than that, the report doesn't mention any differences in battery sizes or really anything else at that point. So if you're thinking about getting this phone, you really probably have 2 options at that time, is to get either a 6.28 version or the 6.75 inch version. And I think if you're gonna get the Galaxy Note 10, especially if you're gonna be using that S Pen, you're probably gonna want a bigger palette. So why wouldn't you get the bigger screen on there so that you can use the S Pen a little bit more easily? It makes total sense to get the bigger one, unless budget is a big thing in your mind. You might want to get the cheaper version. I can see the cheaper version at least being $100 less, maybe $200 less, just because the screen's smaller. You're getting one less camera on the back there. And the camera itself is probably gonna be, give you better live focus photos. It's probably not gonna be that big a deal in terms of overall photography with the camera. So I wouldn't worry too much about that, even though, 4 versus 3 cameras. But again, if you want the ultimate camera, you're gonna want the one with the 4, but it shouldn't make that big a difference, at least what I would expect. So there you guys go, 4 different versions of the Galaxy Note 10. Which one will you buy? Obviously, we don't know the prices, so don't worry about that. Which one are you gonna buy? The LTE version, and then what size, or the 5G? And again, remember, the 5Gs are the same exact sizes as the LTE versions. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road.